5 SUVs that I like.
The 5 SUVs I really like.
The 5 off-roaders that I really like.
For me, it has to be the old original SUV. Ladder on frame, solid axles. So which are the ones that are sold right now? Jimny, fantastic car, lightweight, ultimately capable, superb all-grip functions.
I really like the Wrangler Unlimited over the Rubicon. The first thing because I own that and I have been driving that for the past 2.5 years. So Rubicon comes with def locks and sway bar disconnects, which are not there in the Unlimited, but I really don't need that, I guess. The Unlimited is perfect.
Number 1 is the Jimny, especially mine. The main reason I like a Jimny is because of its weight. It's light, the gearbox, the low ratio, the gear ratios are great, the traction control works great, and the approach and departure angle is something I'm yet to experience.
Then we have the G-Wagon, diff locks all around, solid axles, and the boss of it all, the Unimog, the Mercedes Unimog. Goes anywhere, does anything.
The second would be the Jimny. It's lightweight, just beautiful. Like it just goes anywhere and capable of doing any kind of terrain, be it off the road and on the road.
The other car that I really enjoy off-road is a Wrangler Rubicon. Again, front and rear locking differentials, live axles, the front sway bar disconnect, and the 2-liter turbo motor does really well off-road. The third vehicle I enjoy a lot is the G-Wagon. Again, front, center and rear lockers, and that beast of an engine that we all know. Completely love it.
Then I love the old Defenders. Again, old school, they've conquered the world.
The fourth vehicle that I really like is a Defender. The suspension and the electronics in the car is calibrated really well.
Not to forget the Jeep Rubicon, the actual DNA, the ones that won the World War.
The fifth vehicle that I enjoy is actually a Land Cruiser. Though it's not a hardcore off-road vehicle, I think it's great for hitting a normal trail or a moderate level trail.
Then I would pick the old school SUVs. So I would name the Jonga, the old Thar and the Safari 4x4, which sadly they have discontinued now. But Safari 4x4 would be my top 5 picks.
And lastly, the latest one, Grenadier. The Ineos Grenadier. Again, fabulously capable car. Everything is on buttons, so nothing goes wrong. These are my wish list for the 5 SUVs.